He's no Tiger Woods. I think he would be par. See how many times it takes him.
Hit it!
Yeah, I think he's about 100.
Oh, he got it.
Oh, he got one. So I think he's about 100 over. Get him, boy.
There you go.
There, he got it. But I don't think we need to look at his future in golf. It's just not going to happen. I think that's the way the big boys do it on the course. They get so mad, they just throw it.
You're hit. There you go.